Amphetamine-type stimulants, or ATS, are a group of drugs that include amphetamine and methamphetamine. In many countries, including our closest neighbors, Australia and Indonesia, the extensive use of the drugs have become national concerns. At this conference this morning in Lae, members of the Australian Border Force and the Federal Police took the participants through the methods of smuggling and the effects of the drugs. What's disturbing is that the frightening global trend could take root here in the future.
There is traditionally we would see in Australian context goods coming directly from the source countries, but nowadays organised crime are using more sophisticated methods to disguise the origin of those goods, and so the Pacific Island nations are very important in terms of transit points.
Papua New Guinea has its own drug problems in the form of marijuana. The extensive trade in the networks could easily be used to smuggle drugs like amphetamine-type stimulants that come from China and other parts of Asia. Drug smugglers have also found loopholes that are legal and work for them. Some of the ingredients used to make amphetamine-type stimulants can be found in common cold medicine or can be imported by legitimate pharmaceutical companies in large amounts. For Papua New Guinea, our drug laws are so weak that it does not deter smugglers.
I think the current legislations are not tough enough, so they need to review the existing legislation that deals with drugs, and they need to improve, especially the penalties.
The minimum sentence for drug possession is 9 months. The maximum is 2 years. Scott White, National EMTV News, Lae.